Hey guys, and happy Tuesday. So today I have an unboxing for you. I'm really excited about this one because it's something that I think most of us can really use, or all of us can really use. I love to organize. I wish I could be better at it right now, but time just doesn't allow it. Like, I try to work on one area and it messes up something else. So this company, Mollieollie, reached out to me. I already opened up the box because it was pretty loud. They reached out to me and they sent me this little, excuse me, this little caddy organizer. It is called the Mimo. I believe that's how you pronounce it, the Mimo caddy organizer. And they have this one and they have a gray one. They sent me this one. I wasn't aware that it was pink inside, but it's okay. It's on the inside, so it's not a big deal. But they do have a gray one, which I believe the inside of that one is blue, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have the link to everything down in my description box. I should be getting a discount code for you guys, so I'll put that in the description box once I get it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open it up here. I haven't opened it, so I don't know how it looks like opened up or anything like that. Now I will tell you, when you open it, it feels kind of weird because it is felt, so you don't generally think of like felt for stuff like this, but it's pretty sturdy from what I can tell. It's not like that thin felt, so I mean, it's pretty big. I think, okay, so the dimensions are 14.5 by 9.5 by 7. So just to give you an idea of how big it is, it does have two dividers, two removable dividers in here, and then there's Velcro on the ends, so then you can Velcro them inside. And I think I'm going to go ahead, put those in here. You can do like a Velcro halfway through and take the other one out. I'll show you here in a second. I'm trying to show you how it can be used. So it has these two dividers. This one can also be removed, so then you have two big pockets. I kind of like the idea of having a couple smaller ones. Then there's a bunch of pockets. Oh, they sent me a little card here. Okay, so they sent me a cute little card here. Then it has all these pockets on the outside. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Then there's a bigger one, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 without a zipper. And then you have one on this side that has a zipper, and then on the inside there's a pocket with the Velcro, and then 1, 2, 3, 5 of these little elastic, sorry, I'm moving it around so much, 5 of these elastic loops, so that'd be good for like craft supplies or any pens, anything like that. So this would definitely be good for a journaler, a crafter. It would be great for like a diaper station, in your car, to organize stuff in your car. So yeah, I mean, there's so many different uses that I can think of just off the top of my head. So I mean, like I said, I mean, it's sturdy. It doesn't feel like flimsy and cheap, even though, you think felt and you don't think it would be this strong and sturdy. But I mean, all the seams feel real nice and sturdy. The handles feel like they're on there real good. So then obviously you could personalize it if you want to, anything like that. Yeah, I mean, so it's pretty decent. I'm gonna put some of my craft stuff. So I have I'm right next to my desk. So I'm gonna just kind of put some stuff in here to kind of show you like how big it is and what you can fit in here. And I don't know, I'm just trying to find some stuff here. Let's see. Oh, this might be kind of cool to see. Let's see. Oh, did I move you guys? No, okay. You're good. You're good. So I just have some craft stuff. Let's see. I'll probably put some little paper pads in here. And I'll show you what it kind of looks like once I'm done. I'm just randomly grabbing stuff. I've got all my little tools and stuff. That's too big. Let's see, maybe, oh, this would be good for like a seamstress to carry, or oh, like a knitter, anybody who knits or something like that, put all their yarn in here and stuff. That would be good. You put little containers. Just trying to throw some stuff in here, so see if it makes sense here. Put that in there. Some glue. Yeah, I mean, there you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So I mean, I haven't put a whole lot in there yet, but I mean, I fit my glue gun in there. You can put a glue gun in there. You could even put it on this side if you want to. However you want to put it in there, it'll fit because it's big enough. So that's my big old glue gun, and my glue gun's pretty big, and that fits in there. You can put your glue sticks in there, just like if you move around the house too, like if you go from room to room like I do, you can do that. And I mean, it stays up pretty sturdy. Right now it still has the folds in it, so it kind of is going with the fold, but I can tell if it had stuff in it that it would definitely hold up, you know, well. Zip this back up. The zipper sewn in there really good. It's a good quality, and it zips up on both sides. So you got that. So I like it. I do. Aside from the pink on the inside, I really like it. I really like it. And I'll definitely be using it, especially since I've been having to kind of travel through my home and, you know, do stuff like that. It might actually be my journaling. I think that's what I might use it for. It's going to be perfect to put on my journals and some stickers and stuff like that. So yeah, I like it. I like it. I think it's going to work out great. So I will have all their information in the description box. I love that it's, you know, some moms that came up with the idea. I think it works out great. So I will leave their information in the description box down below. So be sure to check them out. And now I'm going to move on to a very quick Dollar Tree haul. And this is nothing new. I had to buy another one. We've been doing these dollhouse transformations. I did a Valentine's one, but it was deleted. I was part of a collaboration and it didn't work out. As you can see, this one's been through the ringer. I don't know why it was like that, but it was the only one that they had. So I grabbed it. I needed it, so I just grabbed the one that they had. It was the only one that they had. So I didn't get a whole lot. It's just a few things in here. So I'm going to try and get through them pretty quickly. They have some cute Valentine's and Easter stuff coming out. Again, I'm trying to do the bare minimum on everything, but I know they had something like this last year. I don't remember if it was exactly this one, but I do remember them having a cute little ribbon like this. So I grabbed that one because I thought it was cute. Then they have more of these. So this time the Easter stuff has the like teal or light blue or whatever. They had the carrots. They had a few other ones. I think I took some pictures. If I did, I'll either put them at the end of the video or put them somewhere around here. But I just got the little carrots because I thought they were cute, and they're not that big. So I thought those were cute, and I got those. Then this cutout is not new, but it's not that same like wood from the Dollar Tree. And it has like a grain to it, and it's white. So I don't know if you can really tell on camera there. So the back is just a particle board. It's not that regular wood. I love it. This is going to be so cute to DIY with. So I should have gotten another one, but I only got the one. Then I found, and I'm all over the place, I'm just grabbing out the box. So then I found this desk calendar. It comes with a cute little like holder there. It's just 12 calendar cards, which I think I'm going to end up using in like a DIY journal or something like that. So I got that one. They had a few different sayings, so got that. Then I needed this because this is what I use for my journal. So I just grabbed another one because I don't always see them. So whenever I see them, I try to grab one. Then they had this felt table scatter. You get 24 pieces. This is the Valentine stuff. Sorry for the glare. I'm trying to cover it there, but it's not working. So you get this big pink heart back here. This is a heart with like a lock. Then there's keys in there. You can't see them, but there's some black keys. This is love, and then there's some cute little red signs. And they're not stickers, they're table scatters. So These would be cute to DIY with as well. Then they had this hairstyling sponge. This is going to be great for my older son. He has short, very curly hair, and I used to have one of these for him when he was younger, and it works great. So I'm very surprised that they have something like this at the Dollar Tree, but they do. It's very good for people who have natural curly hair, short, you know, textured hair. It works really good for that. So got that for my son so he can do something with his hair. And then I know that I hauled some of these before, but I bought another set because I want to use them to make some like hair oils with my essential oils. So I did grab another set. Only thing that I don't like is that the dropper doesn't reach all the way down. So all that on the bottom is going to go to waste unless you just pour it out. But no big deal. That's, you know, it is what it is. Then they had this pack of paintbrushes. It is by Low Cornell, and you get 7 pieces. And I've never seen this brand there. It's Simply Art. You get like a regular paintbrush, like a chip brush, and then a few of these little small ones, and then a sponge brush. So I mean, oh, here it is. You get a white nylon shader, a nylon 1-inch, a 10 shader, round, a chip brush, and a foam brush. So I thought that was a good deal. You can't ever have enough paintbrushes. I found another one of these. This one says Bake the World a Better Place. So this was one that I didn't get. So I said I wanted to get another one if I saw them, and I found them, so I got them. And then they have these newer wall shelves. Now they had the long ones, I don't know, over the summer or something. This one you get 2 in a pack, and they are 6.7 inches by 5.2, so just a little rectangle, almost a square. And again, you get 2 shelves in here, and they're just 2 pieces of wood, and you get the rope and the little hanger for them. So that's going to be great. I think that's definitely good. So I got 2 of those. Probably won't use them like that, but still a good deal. Then I found these glass mosaic pieces. It doesn't say how many you get, but you get 2.1 ounces, and you get quite a few of them. And they did have different colors. I just picked up this one because it had a few different colors in there, but I think they had like a purple pack. No, they didn't have purple. They had like a blue pack and a green pack, or a yellow pack. I can't remember, but they did have a couple other colors, and they just look like they're just little tiles. They're cute. So I figured that could be good for something, and the colors were nice and light. Then I found this adhesive spray. I've seen the other brand at Dollar Tree. I've never seen this one. And this is Beacon. So, you know, Beacon is a good brand. They're the ones that make Fabrifix and Fabri-Tac. And speaking of, if you cannot find Fabri-Tac, this stuff right here, or Fabrifix, this stuff right here works just as good. The only thing is they don't fill the bottle all the way. It's like filled up to here. So, you know, just kind of pay attention to that. But it's still a good deal because a bottle this small is like $5 at my stores, like $4 to $5, depending on where you go. And so I mean, that's still a good deal, and it works, literally works just as good. So if you can't find Fabrifix, definitely grab some of this. Then I found another scent of this Tom's prebiotic hand wash. This one is fresh apple. Let me see. Oh, and it does smell like apple. It smells like apple. Though I got the lavender one last time, and it smells just like lavender essential oil. So definitely like that. My daughter doesn't like the way it feels on her hands. I don't know if she has sensory issues or what, but she doesn't like certain feelings, and she doesn't like the way that feels. So then they had these huge baskets. I don't know how big it is. Let's see. It is a little over 12 inches wide, and it is like 10 inches in depth, or no, length is a little over 12, 10, and it is about 8 tall. So, I mean, it's a big basket. I had all that stuff in there and there was still space in it. And I went to go back and get another one and they were all gone because I was like, oh, these are going to be great for the craft room. But they were all gone. So hopefully I can find them someplace else at another store. But for $1.25, it's not bad at all. I mean, and it's good quality. It doesn't like, it's not too flimsy. And the last thing that I got, last thing I got was this poster board, heavyweight boards. You get 3 of them and they are 14 by 18. And I'll just use these for my journals. I make master boards out of them and stuff like that. So I just got another pack. I mean, I could have easily just gotten a poster board, but these are smaller and easier to work with, and I don't have to cut them up. So that works great. That is it, guys. That's all that I got from the Dollar Tree. Again, be sure to check out Mollieollie caddies. This is a great, I like it. I like it. Again, if I would have known, I didn't really think about the inside of it. So it's not a big deal. But like I said, it's good quality. To think that it's felt, I mean, it's good quality. So definitely check them out. I will put their information in the description box. And that's it, guys. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.